Hi, I'm Stephanie Karabak, and I wanted to show you a great new tool I found. It's a search engine product, which is free for schools, and it's called InstaGrok. And to start InstaGrok, you would just log in if you have an account, which I'm logged in through my school account, and you would type in your search engine whatever you were searching for. I typed in digital citizenship, and from the blank screen, I now have this beautiful expanded view of digital citizenship. Also, you will get this box with key facts, websites. Sometimes there's videos, there is on this one, images, major concepts, and in this one is all about digital citizenship and etiquette and literacy. And then it also allows you to write a note. So the other feature is to show that a concept is just not static. There is information tied to and concepts tied to. So if I go on the digital citizenship part right here and I want to say explain, I can add a note right in here. Privacy is important to understand. So I have a note right in there, but say I want to know more about privacy. Now I get a whole new Grok box, I'll call it, and now we have citizenship curriculum, digital literacy, datum, learners. Let me click on citizenship curriculum. And now I have more information in my Grok that has come up. Now let's say I like this one. In this K-12 digital literacy and citizenship curriculum we have adopted, and I'm going to pin that. Right away, that resource is now connected to this area. If I want to open it up, it opens up and I can add a note. And it's in a Scoop It, and here it is, and I'll say this is great and be done with that. And then let's move these out a little bit because they are customizable. Okay, notice here I have a level of difficulty also, and I can shorten it down, and suddenly when I do that the information is a little bit more streamlined. So if you have students who are not grade level as compared to students who are, you can have some expansion there. If I want to go back and get my Grok, and there's my connection. My computer's a little slow. There it is. And then I can go to websites, and let's say this is a great website. It's eSchool News. I want to keep this one, and there it is. It's put right in there. What about a video? Let's see. Now I can play it probably in this window, but let's say let's get this one. Now, right there is my video, and it shows up. I think this is a great tool. Oh, yeah, I wanted to show you one more thing. So there's a journal. So in my journal, I had a cooking thing, so ignore that. But in my journal, and I also did an American Revolution, I think there is a great deal of info about this digital citizenship. So students can type, they can add notes to it, and they can keep a journal of their ongoing information that they are keeping, and notice all the links. Now, these are links that I was playing with this. So I did Mount St. Helens, I did American Revolution, here's your digital citizenship, I did cooking at one point, westward expansion, so you can see I've been busy. But if this is what I want, now my notes are here, and guess what? Can I open them up? If there's a link, I can. Yes, and then I can go to that and then pull in my notes and work right. I'm skipping that. And here's the eSchool News one. So if I'm doing some notes, and then I can use those notes in my actual journal. Okay, then the other thing I want to show you, which is really cool, is look at this. You get a quiz. So say you have some students doing some work and you want to make sure that they were on task and they should know these elements, or let's see how much they know based on their research. You can have them even search within the quiz. So educators and parents must be role models for our students and discuss these blank with them. Access issues, understand protection. I'm not sure. Let me go back and see what they're referring to. And here it is. It's actually literal. I just found it. Issues. So now I can go back and say, oh, that's the issues the parents have to. And it tells me I am right. So this is a great tool. I just wanted to show you because rather than doing a traditional Google search, there is just so much that is available here on InstaGrok, and it's just a great tool. So if we are doing any research, it's important to have students know that one concept, that single concept, has so many aspects to it, far beyond what they might have thought of initially. And it's cool to kind of play with and learn about, and there's just a whole lot. So if you were having students do some research, you could actually give them a grade for having this visual and the links, and then have them write up something about it. This is part of the Common Core that we need to be teaching, not only doing research, but doing research in ways that lead us to more knowledge and deep thinking and writing and connecting learning back to images, websites, facts. I mean, it's a self-contained entity and a great tool. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation and explanation of how to use this tool. Any teacher can use it, any paraprofessional or student can use it, and it's definitely worth looking into. As you can see, my history was not lost because I have all these things that were saved. So it's just a really cool tool, and I hope you enjoy using it. Okay, thanks.